the mobile phone trainer box consists of this mobile phone trainer panel, one mobile battery charger, one CD-ROM device. This is accompanying CD provided with software used for modem driver to use this mobile as a modem, and one operating manual, that is SWIG, in students workbook and instruction guide. This mobile phone trainer device consists of different internal parts of a mobile device, and the internal parts are taken out from the mobile device, such as the internal parts are like vibrator, speaker, battery unit. This is the motherboard of the mobile, and this is LCD display, and this is antenna. These are the internal parts taken out from the device and placed in this red marked base plate. The internal parts are connected to the motherboard through some means of wiring from the bottom of this base plate. Each internal part is connected. These are the test points as written here: TP1, TP2, TP3, and these all up to TP7. And these are the fault switches to make fault in this test for this mobile device. These are the named is SW1, SW2, SW3 up to SW7. This mobile phone trainer device is so placed in which the top side of this panel is maintained with a transparent acrylic, so as to see the internal parts of this device by the user. And from the back side of this panel, it contains also a transparent acrylic, as you can see, and from where you can also see the internal parts like SIM slot area, camera, or internal mic of the mobile device. Here in back transparent acrylic, one slot is provided. This slot is used for inserting and removing the local SIM card. And for inserting of a SIM card, here is a method. First take the chamfered area of SIM card to your finger side, and try to insert in any one of the slot, either SIM1 or SIM2, any one you can use. Now the method is, for insert the match the chamfered corner of this SIM and the SIM slot, and insert the SIM card. By this you can see that the SIM is inserted in the mobile SIM slot. Now you can use this trainer board as per your application. Now for removing this SIM card, just press the SIM card and try to drag from this slot. Okay. Now these are the 8 different fault switches provided with this panel. These 4 test points are connected with the battery terminal. The first test point is connected to the positive supply of this battery. Second is the internal temperature sensor of this battery, and the third is the negative terminal of this battery. The fourth push button switch is provided. Fault switch is provided to discharge the battery. This is one of the fault experiment by which we can discharge the battery This fault switch is internally connected through a 2.2 ohm resistor which is mounted from the bottom of this PCB. Now, after pressing this push button for up to 60 to 70 seconds, the battery, this battery unit gets discharged because of the shorting through this 2.2 ohm resistor. These fault switches are used to disconnect these parts. One is for antenna, vibrator, and speaker. This is the manual of mobile phone trainer. This is SWIG, which is provided with this trainer board. Now it contains various numbers of units, in which you can see whatever the internal block diagram of this mobile device. Some of the technologies are also given as a theoretical part to study for the user. Is the internal block diagram of a mobile device. Now in this manual, unit number 3 is provided with the working with the mobile phone trainer. In these, various test points and fault switches are explained one by one with the measurement done by the user. In this, you can see how the DC voltage measurement is measured in this TP1 test point. Now first we will take an experiment for DC voltage measurement on this TP1. Now for this you have to use a multimeter, digital multimeter, set it to 20 volt DC measurement range. Now connect the negative terminal of this multimeter to the TP8 test point. First switch on the mobile device if it is in off mode. Now when it will completely boot, then start to take the experiment. Now connect the negative terminal of this battery of this DMM to this TP8 and the positive terminal of this DMM to the TP1. You can see it is approximate 4.1 volt. This is the battery voltage which is supplied to the motherboard to operate different processor and ICs whatever inside this mobile device. Now you can observe the 3 different DC voltages by the use of this multimeter. Now we will go through this test points. Now take a DSO or CRO, anything. Now connect the negative terminal of this CRO to the test point 8, which is the reference for this measurement, and connect this probe to TP5 to measure waveform to the vibrator terminal. Now call from a number to the inserted SIM, whatever in this mobile device. As explained earlier, these are the test point for signal measurement. Now we will take an experiment of vibration using this TP5. For this you will have to use a DSO, and for reference use the SWIG. this TP5. Now first insert the SIM card in this mobile trainer device and call from a number to this inserted SIM card. Now after receiving this call from any other mobile device, you can feel the vibration of this vibrator by inserting your finger through this hole. Now you can observe the signal on this TP5 using the DSO. Now this is the signal of this vibrator. This is the on-off signal. As you can see. Okay. Now this all are given in this manual. So you can refer this manual and do different experiments related to these test points. Now the next step is to use the fault switches, which is connected to internal devices. Now these are the fault switches by which you can disable the battery supply to the motherboard of this mobile device. Now first switch on the mobile phone. Now when we create the fault using any of the three fault switch, the battery supply will disconnected from the motherboard. Now you can see when we open the when you create a fault by using this fault switch to up position, the supply from the battery will disconnected. Now you can see that. Now this is the up position, or this is the fault position of the switch, by which you can see the display or the device will get off, disconnected from the battery device. Now after enabling the on-off switch to on this mobile phone again, it will not on because of the fault switch between the device and the battery. Now this is the push button to discharge the battery, as already explained. Now these are the signal fault switches. Now by which you can disconnect the antenna, vibrator and speaker of this mobile device. Now switch on the mobile phone again. Wait for the time to complete boot up of this mobile device. Now call from a number to this inserted SIM card. Now vibrator, speaker and antenna are working in this position of this fault switches. Now when you create the fault of for any of this fault switch, the connected device connected parts of this mobile will get disconnected. Now first on the any of the fault switch like speaker, on this speaker will disconnected from the device, and you will not observe the voice of the mobile device from the mobile device. Now these are the switches. Now we already explained about the fault switches. You can observe these are the fault switches explanation with the fault analysis already given in this provided manual, as you can see in instructor guide. These are the fault analysis of each test point or fault switches. Now here is one slot is provided to connect the mobile battery charger or USB data cable to the motherboard. For inserting this mobile charger, first press your finger in this hole to make a support to this mobile device, and then insert the mobile charger at the motherboard slot firmly. Now it will this battery this mobile charger is connected to this mobile motherboard. Now you can charge from this by connecting this adapter to the AC supply. Now one more experiment is also provided with this trainer board is the AT command set for GSM and GPRS. Various GSM and GPRS based AT commands are provided in this manual.
जेवढं झालं तेवढं बस झालं. किती झालं? कारण ते पॅकिंग आज करायचं आहे. बस हो गया. ज़्यादा मत करो. पीसी का एक दिखा है क्या?
Now these are the various AT commands are provided with this manual with experiments and also the text whatever typed in this AT hyper terminal window. Now for this you will have to install the software which is provided in this accompanying CD, software CD of this Expo MOB. Now first install the software. For installing procedure of this software, one appendix is provided in this manual. Go through the appendix A. Here is complete installation procedure is given with icons or window whatever will come at the time of installation. Now go through this appendix A procedure and you will install, and now we will install the experiment software. Now install the ISM setup by double clicking on this icon. Select the language, whatever. Now click on this arrow to install the USB driver and networking wizard, and wait for installation of this complete installation of this software. It will take approximate 1 to 2 minutes. Complete installation. Now after completion of total installation procedure of this setup, connect the mobile device to this PC, to this laptop, to observe this window will show the Samsung mobile USB modem. Means you can use this mobile you can use this mobile device as a modem. Now open the PC hyper terminal. Now start the PC hyperterminal by clicking on the Start button of Windows. Go to Programs. Then Accessories. And Communication. And click on the hyperterminal window. Now it will ask the connection description. Type anything like user, then click OK. Now it will in this window you can see the modem is connected as Samsung mobile USB modem. Now click in OK. No need of this connection. Try to cancel.
Start हो गया.
Now after typing the ATD command with this mobile number and terminated with the semicolon, press enter. The response of the mobile device is OK, and wait for the incoming call from the to which you have called from this trainer device. As you can see, incoming call is from this device is received by the mobile device, whatever mobile number is entered. Now when you disconnect from this, when you disconnect the call, now open the hyperterminal window. The window will appear like this, as per the procedure given in unit number 4. This is the step-by-step procedure. In which you can see that Samsung mobile USB modem is connected through this PC when we connect the USB data cable. Now we will take an experiment of AT command, GSM AT command, to call to a number from the inserted SIM card to any local number. Now type AT on this screen, press enter. The OK is the response from the mobile device. Means this the AT command is suitable for this mobile device, and the response of this mobile device is OK. Now type the ATD command as ATD and the mobile number for which you wish to call. The number
81499
81
499
499
40
40
789.
789.
Call them.
This is the one thing you have to noted here, that terminate the mobile number with this semicolon. Now press enter.
चलो पैकिंग हो गया. अभी नहीं सीढ़ी बोल चाहिए बोलते इरफान को
क्या हो गया?
कहा बंद करो.
अच्छा